Hi, I'm Britlish and I'm here to bring you today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase is, to pay peanuts. To pay someone peanuts is to pay them very little for the work they do. We say that if you pay peanuts, you get monkeys. What this means is that if you pay somebody very little, you cannot expect to get quality staff. In fact, if you pay peanuts, you'll end up with incompetent workers, as the better workers will have gone elsewhere to earn higher wages. If you pay peanuts for something, you cannot expect to get something of real value. As you know, you get what you pay for. At Britlish, however, you can pay peanuts and still get the very highest quality in return. This is because at Britlish we let you pay what you want for access to the Britlish library. Whether you pay our suggested amounts or you pay peanuts, you'll still get unrestricted access to the entire Britlish library of English lessons. If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment. I'll be back.